It's Jones Bridge in Manila. So, maganda.
Yes,
May
newly
naganda talaga, no?
improved.
Yeah, di ba?
Ano, naka-iOS 18 siya upgraded. Yes.
Latest software. But tell us about that. Parang that was very a big part of the story and of the movie. Tell us what it was like filming there and the beauty of the new look Manila. What was it like for you guys?
I never even knew the area existed since we started shooting there.
Diba? Tama eh.
What do you call it?
They walk parang waterway, di ba? Something like that.
They call there's a specific
Esplanade.
Esplanade.
Yeah.
Jones Bridge
Because,
Esplanade, yeah.
I think it was part of. It used to be
Escolta.
part po ng Escolta.
Yeah.
Trivia.
But, parang siguro inayos nila para maganda sa Instagram. Maganda naman siya.
But nakakatawa, gumanda na talaga, di ba? So, for those who haven't seen it in a long time, it's so nice seeing it. It's so pretty. Okay!
Yes, may mga bisag din. Daghan na dyan ta din sa US. Daghan na taan ni.
Salamat kaayo.
Marunong ka ba?
Guwapa.
Marunong ka.
Guwapa. Guwapa kaayo.
Ayo, guwapo po kita.
Translated to English is...
You're pretty and you're handsome.
Yeah. Okay, game. Sige, let's make bonus the questions. Let's see. Minsan, malalim yung mga tanong natin. Pinasarga. Ladies first eh.
Ito naman. Ano po? Hala, oo nga. Ang ayaw mo naman.
Miss Trixie, Holy Spirit eh.
Nagpapamiyas. Kaya walang tumulak sa akin.
Wala si Wilma.
Imagine your character got stuck in a time loop. What's one moment in the movie you would want to relive over and over? Hello? Baka gusto nyo kayo na lang sumagot. Ano din yung mga gusto nyo i-relieve?
Which one? All of them.
Relieve again and again. Ako favorite scene ko talaga yung umuulan na slow-mo. Yung nagbigay ng payong si Jolo. Yung so curious. Ano nangyari sa akin sa totoong buhay? Pwede ba yun? Pag umulan? Mag-abang ka.
Bihira umulan dito sa LA.
Sayang.
We need the rain. Bring the rain. Okay, game. Next question.
What was the biggest challenge in portraying your character? Did you find anything about them particularly relatable or completely different from yourself?
Man, lalim. Okay lang.
What can you say, candidate number 1? Ang bagay say.
I think the biggest challenge in portraying my character was throwing out the jokes, because it's hard to like say a joke and have a punchline for it that would make the viewers actually laugh.
Natawa kayo sa ano niya,
Sa-
pag-what joke.
Okay.
Gusto niyo marinig ulit?
So yun pa yung pinakamahirap sa akin kasi hindi naman ako, well, yung humor ko kasi is very dry and very sarcastic, so I'm very green. I'm very green. That's the only humor I have. Okay.
Okay na to.
But yeah, that was the hardest part for me. And yeah.
Okay. Kim.
Lumipat pa kayo dyan, mama.
Alright, ito naman ang next question. What is one thing you always must bring to set no matter what?
Okay.
Yes.
Maliban naman sa cellphone.
Maliban sa
Ano ba?
cellphone. Sa set, gamit talaga. I think presence of mind. Bring to the set presence of
Ano ba kayo
mind.
favorite snacks?
Snacks, no, coffee. Mahilig kami sa coffee. Naglalabanan kami kasi sa makeup table ko, meron ako doon parang coffee machine. Tapos meron naman siya, manual.
Uy, wow.
Yung ginagrind niya pa doon.
On the set.
Oo.
Wow.
Tapos,
Coffee
pinipress
connoisseur.
niya pa.
Fresh
Ang dami
press.
nangyayari. Sa akin, ano lang, capsule. Tuk, pindot. Okay na.
Fake coffee.
Sabi niya, free coffee ko.
Joke lang, nakikinig naman ako sa kape niya minsan.
Mahilig din ako mag-arte sa kape. May hand grinder pa ako.
Ayan.
Gets
Sabi.
din din sabi ko. Pero masarap. Coffee talaga. Kakaiba. Okay, pa.
The film's theme suggests rediscovery or second chances. How does the film explore these themes, and why do you think they resonate with the audiences? How come all the hard questions? I always get the hard
Ang
questions.
sulat na ng bullet mo eh.
The film's theme suggests rediscovery or second chances. How does it connect?
Contestant number 3
Thank you
from
for
Pasig
this question.
City.
I think for both our characters, like for Sally's character, it's sa character ko na lang since Jolo's character, parang Jolo has been through like so much. Actually, medyo madami rin natanggal sa pelikula na hindi na naisama, pero further explaining his backstory. But you know, coming from a breakup or about to get married na iniwan, and you know, life just throws you chances and chances and chances. It just depends. It just depends on you how you see it and how you grab it. In terms of Jolo's character, parang yun naman parang yung second chance niya is all about not just about finding love, but also accepting help. And I think that was parang one of parang second chances na nabigay sa kanya. Not just a second life, not just not just love, but also a chance to accept help from people around him.
Okay, we'll give you a chance to answer the same question.
Sobrang lalim naman ng parang palunod na ako. Ano ang tanong?
About second chances.
About second chances, I think from my character, Sari, second chances are parang very rare na binibigay yan eh. So once nandiyan yan, you learned already your lesson dun sa nangyari. So once you're given a second chance, mas iigihan mo na, mas pagbubutihan mo na, and wag na natin hintayin na magka-third chance pa para mag-succeed tayo in life.
Yeah.
Let's always do our best and God will do the rest. And I thank you.
Right. At dahil dyan, huwag natin nakakalimutan ang ating picture taking. But before that, we'll have a big group picture called the Groovy.
Groovy!
We'll have Pao and Kim sit here, turn